I wonder.
Niagara Falls, a renowned natural wonder, straddles the border between the United States and Canada. It is composed of 3 distinct waterfalls that merge to create a breathtaking spectacle. On the US side, the American Falls and the smaller Bridal Veil Cascade, while the Horseshoe Falls, the largest and most powerful of the 3, flows mainly on the Canadian side. The combined width of the waterfall measures approximately 3,950 feet, or 1,203 meters, drawing millions of visitors each year.